If you feel like you're working hard, but somehow still not getting ahead financially, you're not the problem. The real problem is that you've been following a system that was never designed to make you free. Because in 2026, the rules of money have completely changed. And if you don't understand the new game, you'll stay stuck no matter how hard you try. Before we get into it, if you want simple, practical strategies to build real wealth, subscribe to Daily Money Clarity. Because this channel is all about helping you escape the cycle and actually get ahead. Now let me show you something most people never realize. Most people think financial freedom is about earning more money. So they chase higher paying jobs, promotions, more hours. And on the surface, that makes sense. But here's what actually happens. You earn more, you spend more, and somehow you're still in the same position, just with nicer things and more pressure. And that's where people get trapped, because they think, I just need to make more money. But the truth is, if you don't understand how money actually works, more income just makes you more efficiently broke. And I learned this the hard way. A few years ago, my life looked fine on the outside. I had a job, I had income coming in. I wasn't struggling to survive. But every single month felt exactly the same. Money would come in, and then it would disappear. Bills, food, transport, random expenses. And at the end of it all, nothing left. No progress, no momentum, no sense of moving forward. Just repetition. It felt like being stuck on a treadmill, running hard, but going nowhere. And the worst part? I started to realize something scary. If nothing changed, this would be my life for the next 10, 20, even 40 years. Wake up, work, pay bills, repeat. That's when it hit me. I wasn't building a future. I was maintaining survival. One day I asked myself a simple question. What would it actually take for me to never worry about money again? Not just to survive, but to wake up and know that my bills are covered, whether I work or not. That question changed everything. Because up until that point, I had never thought about money that way. I was focused on paying bills, getting through the month, trying not to fall behind. But I had never defined what freedom actually meant. And that's the first mistake almost everyone makes. Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because they're unclear. They don't know how much they actually need, what they're working toward, or how to get there. So they just drift. And when you drift financially, you default to survival mode, which means you react instead of plan. You spend instead of build. You stay busy instead of getting ahead. And the system rewards that behavior. Because if you're always working just to survive, you never have time to escape. But everything changed when I stopped asking, how can I make more money? And started asking, how can I make money work for me instead? That one shift separates people who stay stuck from people who become financially free. Because the goal isn't to work harder. The goal is to build a system where your money grows, your income multiplies, and your time becomes your own. In 2026, financial freedom is no longer about working one job for 40 years, saving slowly, and hoping everything works out. That model is outdated. The people who are winning today are doing something completely different. They're not just earning money, they're controlling it, directing it, and multiplying it. And once I understood that, everything started to change. I stopped looking at money as something to spend and started seeing it as a tool that could buy back my time, create opportunities, and eventually replace my income. But at first, it felt overwhelming because I didn't come from a background where people talked about investing or building wealth or financial independence. So I had to figure it out from scratch. And that's where most people give up. Not because it's impossible, but because it feels complicated. But here's the truth that made everything easier. Financial freedom is not complicated. It's just unfamiliar. Once you break it down, it comes down to a few simple principles. Not 100 strategies, not confusing systems, just a clear, repeatable approach. And when I finally understood that, I stopped feeling stuck and started making real progress. So if you're sitting there thinking, okay, but what actually works? How do I go from where I am now to being financially free? Then here's what you need to know. There's a simple framework that anyone can follow, no matter where you're starting from. And once you understand it, everything starts to click. Let's make this simple. If financial freedom felt complicated before, it's because no one broke it down into something clear. So here's the easiest way to think about it in 2026. Financial freedom is just a three-part system. 1. Know your number. 2. Increase your income. 3. Turn income into assets. That's it. Everything else is just detail. Let's go through this step by step. Step 1. Know your freedom number. This is where everything starts, because if you don't know what you're aiming for, you'll never hit it. Most people say, I want to be rich. But that's not a goal. That's a vague idea. Instead, you need a clear number. The amount of money required to cover your life, without working. Let's simplify it. Ask yourself, how much do I need monthly to live comfortably? Not luxuriously, just comfortably. For most people, that might look like rent, food, transport, bills, a bit of enjoyment. Let's say that number is $2,000 per month. That's $24,000 per year. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of working for that money, you want your investments to generate it. And there's a simple rule used by financially free people. Multiply your yearly expenses by 25. So, $24,000 times 25 equals $600,000. That means if you had $600,000 invested properly, it could generate enough income for you to live without running out. Now suddenly, financial freedom doesn't feel like millions and millions. It feels like a clear target. And once you have a target, you can build a plan. Step 2, increase your income the right way. Now here's where most people go wrong. They try to save their way to freedom, cutting expenses, skipping small pleasures, living extremely tight. That helps, but it's not enough, because you can only cut so much. But income, that has no ceiling. So instead of focusing only on saving, you need to focus on expanding. And the easiest way to do that in 2026 is this. Add a second income stream. Not 10 things, not something complicated, just one. And the key is, start with what you already know. That could be freelancing, selling a skill, online services, simple digital work, even local services. The goal is not perfection. The goal is momentum, because once you create even a small second income, something shifts. You stop depending on one source. You start building leverage. And more importantly, you start believing this is actually possible. Now I know what most people are thinking. I don't have time. But let's be honest for a second. There are 168 hours in a week, even after work, sleep, responsibilities. You still have time left. The difference is not time, it's priority. Because the same person who says they don't have time can spend hours scrolling, watching, or procrastinating. And that's not judgment, that's awareness. Because once you see it, you can change it. Step 3, turn income into assets. This is where everything comes together, because earning money is good, but keeping it in cash, that's where people lose. Because money sitting still loses value. Money needs a job, and its job is simple: to make more money. This is where investing comes in. Not complicated trading, not risky guessing, just simple, consistent investing. For example, index funds, long-term assets, stable growth strategies. The goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is steady, predictable growth. Because when you consistently invest, your money starts working, even when you're not, even when you're sleeping. And over time, that's what builds real freedom. Here's the biggest difference between people who stay stuck and people who become financially free. They use money differently. Most people earn, spend, repeat. Financially free people earn, invest, multiply, spend what's left. It's a small shift, but it changes everything. Because now, your future gets funded first. Your lifestyle adjusts second, and that's how wealth is built quietly over time. So let's recap this in the simplest way possible. If you want financial freedom in 2026, 1. Define your number. Know exactly what you're aiming for. 2. Increase your income. Add at least one extra stream. 3. Invest consistently. Turn income into assets that grow. Do this long enough, and something incredible happens. Your income from assets starts to rise, while your dependence on work starts to drop, until one day, they cross, and that's the moment. You're free. This isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's not about chasing luxury or impressing people. It's about something much more powerful: control. Control over your time, your decisions, your life. Because when money stops being a problem, you can finally focus on what actually matters. And the best part? You don't need to be special to do this. You just need clarity, consistency, and the right system. If this gave you a clearer path forward, subscribe to Daily Money Clarity. Because this is where you learn how to turn simple ideas into real financial results. And if you're serious about changing your situation, don't just watch this. Apply it. Start small, stay consistent, and let your future thank you for it.